Welcome back to English Learning. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get all the latest updates. Also follow me on Instagram. My Insta ID is englishlearning1205. In this video, I have given one solved example of note making. If you don't know what is note making and what all points we must include while making notes, then check out my video of note making. Link is in the description box. Now the question is, read the passage given below and answer the questions that follow. How does television affect our lives? It can be very helpful to people who carefully choose the shows that they watch. Television can increase our knowledge of the outside world. There are high quality programs that help us understand many fields of study, science, medicine, the different arts, and so on. Moreover, television benefits very old people who can't leave the house as well as patients in hospitals. It also offers non native speakers the advantage of daily informal language practice. They can increase their vocabulary and practice listening. On the other hand, there are several serious disadvantages of television. Of course, it provides us with a pleasant way to relax and spend our free time, but in some countries, people watch television for an average of 6 hours or more a day. Many children stare at the TV screen for more hours a day than they spend on anything else, including studying and sleeping. It's clear that TV has a powerful influence on their lives and that its influence is often negative. Recent studies show that after only 30 seconds of television viewing, a person's brain relaxes the same way that it does just before the person falls asleep. Another effect of television on the human brain is that it seems to cause poor concentration. Children who view a lot of television can often concentrate on a subject for only 15 to 20 minutes. They can pay attention only for the amount of time between commercials. Another disadvantage is that television often causes people to become dissatisfied with their own lives. Real life does not seem so exciting to these people. To many people, television becomes more real than reality and their own lives seems boring. Also, many people get upset or depressed when they can't solve problems in real life as quickly as television actors seem to. Before a child is 14 years old, he or she views 11,000 murders on the TV. He or she begins to believe that there is nothing strange about fights, killings, and other things of violence. Many studies show that people become more violent after viewing certain programs. They may even do the things that they see in a violent show. So, this was the passage, and now we have to answer the questions. On the basis of your reading of the above passage, make notes on it using headings and subheadings. Use recognizable abbreviations wherever necessary, minimum 4, and a format you consider suitable. Also, supply an appropriate title to it. मतलब जो पैसेज अभी रीड किया है उसके बेसिस पे हमें नोट्स बनाने हैं हेडिंग्स एंड सब हेडिंग्स यूज़ करके प्लस एब्रीविएशंस मतलब शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स भी यूज़ करनी है मिनिमम 4 होनी चाहिए ऑल्सो फॉर्मेट प्रॉपर होना चाहिए एंड अप्रोप्रिएट टाइटल भी देना है. So let's begin. The title is Advantages and Disadvantages of Watching Television. Now let's begin with the notes. First heading is Benefits. Its subheading is Increases Knowledge. Its subheadings are Of Outside World, Science, Medicine, and Different Arts. Next subheading is Recreation of Old People and Patients. Next subheading is Informal Language Practice. Next subheading is Increases Vocabulary and Helps Practice Listening. Next heading is Disadvantages. Its subheadings are People watch for 6 hours or more. Next, Students stare at screen for hours. Next, Negative Influence. Next, Effect on human brain. Its subheading is Poor concentration. Next heading is Impact and its subheadings are This feels life not very exciting. Next, TV more real life seems boring. Next, Depression when can't solve problems. Next heading is violence shown on TV, and its subheadings are children become violent, killings seem normal. Now, key to abbreviations: PPL is people, next is knowledge, next is and, next is different, next vocab is vocabulary, next LANG is language, next hours, next concentration, and next is television. Now, next question is write a summary of the passage in about 80 words. मतलब जो पैसेज रीड किया था उसके हमने नोट्स बना लिए, टाइटल भी दे दिया और की भी बना ली। अब उस पैसेज की समरी लिखनी है। सो लेट्स बिगिन। Heading is advantages and disadvantages of watching television. Watching television increases knowledge of the outside world, science, medicine, and different arts. It helps old people and patients to recreate. It assists in informal language practice, improving vocabulary, and practice listening. However, watching television for more than 6 hours and staring on screens has a negative influence on students. It affects the human brain and leads to poor concentration. Television makes life boring and nothing feels exciting. People can feel depressed when they are unable to solve problems as quickly as actors do. Television normalizes violence, which can make children violent. So, this was all about the solved example of note making. I hope it is clear. I will discuss some other topic in my next video. So, till then, stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel. And also add me on Instagram. My Insta ID is englishlearning1205. Also, if you want to suggest some topics, then you can DM me on Instagram or email me. Each and every detail is given in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.